Hi guys, happy Friday. I hope you all are doing well. I'm so ready to kick off this weekend. Are you guys? As you can see, my 2 family room trees, and I've got 2 more there. And it is so cozy at night. I just love it. As you can see, Ralphie has decided to join us. What's new? He's my little sidekick. And Bentley's outside. He loves to go outdoors in the morning and bask in the sun. What do we call this? Is this a console table? Is it, I don't know, what, a sofa table? I don't know. But nonetheless, we're going to be decorating that today. By the way, you like my funny shirt? I got this last year for a Christmas party. You were supposed to wear like a funny shirt, and I bought it on Amazon. It has little buttons, and you can leave it like this. You can unbutton it and wear it like this, or you can tuck it. I like to tuck it, but it's got funny little elves and candy canes, and I thought, you know what? I'm in the spirit this morning. Let's wear it. Anyway, if you like it, I'll link it below, or if you've got a fun Christmas party to go to and you want to wear a silly shirt, you can get this one. I want to do a big shout out to somebody on YouTube that is so deserving of it, and that is Joe. Hi, Joe. And his channel is Life with Marianne and Joe. Hi, Marianne. I love them. They are the cutest couple, and Joe, he's amazing. He literally goes room by room by room for Christmas and all the seasons, but Christmas is, he goes all out. He is somebody that thinks outside the box. He comes up with the most creative, brilliant, and I mean brilliant ideas. And I just stand back and I'm like, how did he get that done that fast? He comes up with these ideas and he whips them up and he kicks out a video. He is, he's passionate about his decorating. He knows how to come up with an idea and implement it and make his house look, all these different rooms have different things, but yet it looks so cohesive, like it all goes together. He is really making his house look like a winter wonderland. I highly recommend you check him out. He's as nice and as down to earth and laid back as could be, as is his wife, and they are just so cute. And Marianne, his wife, does a lot of really good cooking and Italian dishes, and they take us on shopping trips and they show us what's in the store before the season kicks off, and then they come up with these. He comes up with these brilliant ideas. So I highly recommend you check him out. I'm gonna do a couple little clips as a teaser to get you over there. And once you're there, will you guys do me a huge favor? Please subscribe. Tell him I sent you, and tell him how much you love what he's doing, because I haven't seen anyone on YouTube that does as much as he does, and he so deserves the credit. He literally puts his heart and soul into it, and I really would love to see his channel kick up. And yeah, so please go over there and show him some love and check out all. If you're looking for Christmas inspiration, look no further, because I guarantee you will find something in any number of his rooms that will inspire you, get the wheels turning, and you'll be off and running with your Christmas ideas. So I'm going to link them below, but it's Life with Marianne and Joe.
He had my finger there, but it's okay.
Sorry.
No.
I can't feel anything. Hit the tree.
Oh my God.
Isn't the end look just beautiful? And wait till you see all the other rooms he's done in his house. I'm telling you, you guys are going to be blown away. He deserves so much credit. He is just so talented, and you can really feel the feeling of Christmas. It's magical. put my Christmas up, sometimes I sit here and I'm like, am I really in my own home? Because I feel like I'm in some vacation home that's decorated for Christmas, but I love it. At night, it is so cozy. We have the most beautiful sunset that we see at night, and the colors come through at night with the Christmas lights, and I'm just like, oh, I love it. I love it. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas decor and decorating as much as I am. Okay, so because we have a lot going on, I'm going to keep this sort of simple for me. You know what I mean? It may not be simple to others, but for me it is. So to start, I have this candle holder, and then I've got a topiary ball. Boom. I'm gonna place it over there right by Ralphie. Next, I have this cute little lantern, and I put some greenery in it, and I'm gonna put a candle in here. I sat something metal down on it to kind of elevate my candle, almost like a little tiny riser, and I'm gonna place my candle in here. And I just added this pre-made bow I got on Amazon. This says Embers and Musk, and I like it, so I'm gonna put it inside the lantern. Ambiance is everything. So right in between the topiary and the lantern, I'm gonna set this cute little nutcracker that says toys. I love the colors. Do y'all see what I have to deal with? He's going nuts. He watches the birds all day long, and it's like, look at him. He's hiding behind the tree now. Little dogs, big bark. Now I have some holly garland, and I thought I would just kind of like weave it around just to add texture. You better stop, mister. He's throwing me off with my decorating. I can't think with all this barking. Can any of you spot Ralphie? Right there. Now I'm just gonna weave it. And now I'm gonna add another candle, and this is called Snow-Tipped Pine. It smells legit so good, just like a fresh pine tree. Love it. And next I have these two cute reindeer. I think I got these at Michael's years ago. I like them because of the holly wreaths on them, and I'm gonna put these on either side of the candle. Have these two book boxes, and I use these as risers all the time, and that's what I'm going to do here. I bought these on Amazon. They come in a set of 3, and I like them because they're different and they're sort of rustic, and we live in a log cabin. I thought, hey, these are kind of unique and pretty. You could place a taller flameless flickering candle, a real candle. You can decorate the bottom of this with any kind of greenery or elevate it with another candle holder. You can do all kinds of things with these. That's why I like them. But I'm just going to keep it simple. Set this one on top of the book boxes and then add the 2 smaller ones beside it. So there you have it, my cute little tabletop display as you come in the door. And down below I just have a clock and a cute little tray, and then up top you see this. Now over here behind me, I have these two closet doors, and like I said, we live in a log home, so it's a lot of wood. And just seeing these blank wood doors day in and day out was driving me mad. I'm like, you need something. So I added these two rustic beveled mirrors that I got at Kirkland's years ago. And all I did to dress it up was just add two little bows in the buffalo check to kind of go with my theme. And it's almost like a sweater material. And I just think it looks cute. It kind of dresses those up. What I really wanted to do was get some pine and do sort of like a little bit of a swag and then the bow in the middle. But I kind of ran out of my pine floral picks. So I just kept it simple. And then up above, I added that iron wall embellishment. And then I added that sign that says farmhouse, because this year, it's a farmhouse Christmas. And then right there on the front door, I just added a simple Christmas wreath that I already had. And you guys, I have not purchased anything as far as Christmas decor goes this year. Zero, zilch, nada. I used everything I had. And then really the only thing I've purchased for this house for Christmas was my buffalo check curtains. And that's it. Well, friends, I know this was a quick video today. Come back and see me next week, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have my whole house tour up and ready to go. And I wanna try to do a daytime and nighttime tour, because nighttime takes it to a whole new level. So fingers crossed I get that done over the weekend so I can get it posted for you next week. But in any case, I thank you guys so much for your wonderful comments. I have been lousy at responding, absolutely lousy, just because I've been so busy trying to figure out how we're gonna do this move, what furniture to take. I mean, it's like furnishing a whole new house. So yeah, I've been consumed with that in addition to Christmas. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I appreciate your support, your love, and your sweet comments. It means everything. And after you click out of here, please go down to my description box, and I'll have Joe and Mary Ann's channel there, Life with Mary Ann and Joe. And if you click on that, it'll take you to his site. And I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. You will not. He does fantastic work. So let's help grow his channel. Let's make it another Christmas miracle. He really does deserve it, guys. So I will see you next week. Mwah! Have a good one, guys.